If you've ever tried to create dashboards from your data, you know how frustrating it can be. Most people start with Excel, but creating dashboards there is clunky and time-consuming, and they usually end up looking pretty dated. Tools like Canva look great, but they're terrible with data. You end up manually entering every number. Meanwhile, Tableau and Power BI are incredibly powerful, but they're so complex that you basically need to take a course just to use them. So we built Bricks to sit right in the middle. You just upload your CSV file, Excel file, PDF, or even an image with data in it, and Bricks creates a full dashboard for you in about 30 seconds. It's designed to be as beautiful and easy as Canva, but actually smart about data. Let me show you how this works. I'm going to upload this sales performance data. It's just a regular CSV file with our monthly revenue numbers. I'll click Dashboard and Report, and then drag the file in. Now, Bricks is analyzing the data to understand what it's about. It's figuring out which charts and tables would make the most sense, what the key metrics are, and how to organize everything into a dashboard that actually tells a story. Alright, and just like that, in under 30 seconds, we have a complete dashboard built from our data. As you can see, it's created all these charts, tables, and KPIs automatically from our spreadsheet. It figured out which visualizations would work best for this type of data and organized everything in a way that makes sense. But here's what makes Bricks different from other tools. It doesn't just dump a bunch of charts on you and expect you to figure out what they mean. Next to each chart, Bricks has written actual analysis explaining what's happening in the data and what the key takeaways are. Now, if I want to customize anything, I can do that easily. I can drag charts around to reorder them, or if I want to change how something looks, I can either edit it manually or just ask the AI to update it for me. So Bricks gets me about 80% of the way to my final dashboard instantly, and then I can adjust the last 20% however I want. Bricks also comes with a bunch of professionally designed themes that you can choose from. So if I want this to look more corporate, or more colorful, or match my company's brand colors, I can just click through these different options. When I'm done, I can export this in whatever format I need. I can download it as a PDF or PowerPoint file, create a shareable link that anyone can access, or present it directly from Bricks. So whether I'm putting this in an email, adding it to a presentation, or showing it in a meeting, I've got options. And that's basically it. Instead of spending hours building reports and trying to figure out what your data means, you can upload a file and get a complete dashboard with insights in under a minute. You can try Bricks for free right now, and you'll have your first dashboard done in about 60 seconds.